My name is Dominique Green. I'm the maker of Soap Up Soaps, and today I'm going to make soaps in a love heart shape. And I'm going to use melt and pour soap. It's 400 grams that I keep white, and then I use different shades of pink and red, and I use this on the transparent soap. I already cut it in cubes and separated in a few different containers for different shades of pink. The white I keep white, so that's all in one container. I filled it in different techniques, pouring techniques. I try out a few different things, so I have 6 molds and I try to do 6 different varieties. For scent, I'm using essential oils of lavender and pink grapefruit oil. The first step is I melt the white base. When the white is all liquid, you can add the scent to it. I'm using lavender here. And a few drops of pink grapefruit. And as the second step, I heat up the first container with the transparent soap. I put it in different containers because I will add different shades of pink and red. The transparent now is all melted. I will start with a nice bright pink. When the mica is all mixed in, I add the essential oils. You spray rubbing alcohol in the bottom. That makes a glossy and smooth finish, and also if you have layers it makes it combine. Alright, I start with the first one, pouring in white and pink from each side at the same time. That's the plan. Let's see what happens. The pink is moving over from the left to the right, and on the bottom the white is doing the same. Interesting. Okay, now I can't move this anymore, which is not so handy. I just zoom out. Right, so here now I add more pink, but a different shade, and I'm not using pink, I'm using purple. So first I'm going darker. As long as everything is still pouring temperature before I have to reheat, I go on to the next mold, and on this one I pour the white first half, and then I pour the purple on top. Well, that's not too special, probably just a mix of colors. Alright, because the white is still liquid, I do the third mold now, and because I have purple left, I use that up, and this time I pour the purple first. Spritzels, and the white on top, so I do it the other way here. Okay. Right. Also, I think I go over with the white here on the first one because there is like a gap left. Alcohol first because that's definitely has a skin already, and white on top. Ah, fucked it. This one I'm doing in layers, and I'm starting with the white. Now I'm starting with the red. Alright, I have no idea how much I poured in because the soap is about the same color as the mold. I will let it sit now for as long as it needs to get completely solid on the top, so I can pour the white on top and the layers stay in layers and the colors don't mix. The red is now set. Go with alcohol over, and then I pour the next layer, which is white. Alright, the red just broke. It was not set, but I leave it anyway. I will try the second one in this technique, and maybe this one here will not break. So I'll do the same here, and I start with the white. The next layer is red on both. Next layer is white again. Some alcohol first. It was the last layer on this one, and there will be one more layer of red on this one. And for the last Love Heart, I will do a mix of pink transparent but cotton candy pink, like lighter pink, and the white, and I will try this design again where I pour from both sides, and I hope this time, I don't know, it stays a bit more separate. I don't know if that would happen at all. For the last soap, for this one here, I'm using, it's not really cotton candy pink, but it's more like a very shimmery, light, just a dust of pink. Let's see how that goes in transparent. For the last one now, I pour from 2 different angles at the same time, and I hope it makes 2 halves. Let's have a look. Right now it looks like it did the same what it already did on the first one, that it mixes under and into each other. And okay, now I do the last layer of red on this one here. Okay, I made a hole. Well, we'll see how they look when they come out. They now sit overnight, and tomorrow I pop them out. It is now about 24 hours later, and these soaps here are dry. I unmold them now. This was the first one. Alright. Well, it's still interesting, especially this part here. But it definitely did not stay in the halves. And then at the end I put more white on top. So that's just a funky looking one. Okay, this here looks cool. This here that happened by accident. I don't know why that happened, but I like it. I like the colors too. Okay, this one here is very dark, very nice. Very nice. Maybe the white goes more on the inside, and when you use the bar, maybe the white comes out more, the more you use the bar. Very cool color. The next one is the layered one. Let's see if we got layers. Alright. It's cute. Funny. Pretty good. Very nice. I like that one. The dot on top is cute. Here is another layer one. Alright, this one worked out very, very great. Also, I like how almost even the layers are. That wasn't planned. Cool. And the last one. Well, that looks cool too. Interesting. I like him. Very nice. Alright, so here are 6 different pouring techniques or 5, because these 2 are both layers. I think they turned out pretty nice. I especially like the dark purple color here. That's very cool. Alright, so 6 different Love Hard soaps. I weigh them. This one is 108. I guess they will all be around 100. This one is 97. 108. Yeah, alright. So it's about 100 grams each. That's pretty cool. I'm very happy with the results. And let me know what you think about it. And I see you in the next video. Bye bye.